It's Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use your phone as a remote for your Roku device. So the first thing you want to do is swipe down from the top right and go to Wi-Fi. And just make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device. And make sure your Roku device is plugged in and turned on. Now that my phone is on the same network, the two can discover each other. And what we want to do now is go on over to the Google Play Store and then download the Roku app. So let's go to now, go to search, go to the top here and type in ROKU, Roku Remote. And we want to get the official application here from Roku and then open this up. Then we can go to now. So I'm signed in with my account, or otherwise you can go to like a guest account. You can see my Roku's on here already. We can view it. And I could just go to devices and connect to it. So it's already connected. And when I tap it, it brings me to the remote. Otherwise I can go down here to remote. And if it's your first time setting it up, you're going to have to be able to see your Roku, and you'll have to type in like a 5 or 6 digit code. And then we got our search options, our microphone, keyboard, our settings on here. And then we have the audio. I think we can listen to the audio with just headphones. So that's kind of convenient. And then we got playback, record, stop, etc. So we have our apps down here as well, and some other settings. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out.